I used to open TikTok just for 5 minutes, and somehow an hour would disappear. Every swipe gave me that little hit of dopamine. Quick pleasure, zero effort. But those tiny hits were rewiring my brain. Real life stuff started feeling boring. The first few days were painful. I kept reaching for my phone like a reflex. But around day 4, something clicked. My focus came back. I started enjoying silence again. Dopamine didn't disappear, it just reset. If you feel numb or unmotivated, maybe your brain's just overloaded. Try a dopamine detox. It's not magic, it's balance. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to hit subscribe.